pin that one as well real quick so you guys can see. And let me go grab my bracelets and see. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Right over there. Flip my camera. Let's pick her out some bracelets. All right, so let's see what we're gonna do. This one first thing first. And I think this order is for Alicia, one of my regulars. No, yeah, it is. This is for Alicia. She loves bracelets. So I like this one. I'm gonna give her this one. Then I want to give her this one right here. Not the hematite. This one. That's 2. And then this one. I feel like, did she get this one already? I think she did actually. She's gotten a few. She orders bracelets a lot. Ooh, did she? But I don't think she got the butterfly. Look at these butterfly ones. I'm gonna give her one with the clasp. No, I'm gonna give her one without the clasp. That one, that's 3. We need 2 more. What's this over here? I really like these. Oh no, they fell. This one, I really like. This was a rose quartz bracelet. That's 4. And then 5, I want to give her this opalite and pearl. It's like it's a different. It's not a beaded one. Well, it is a beaded one, but these are just something that I felt like making. So I'm gonna send her this one as well. So that's her 5 for 25 bracelet order. I think they're really pretty. Oh, there's some bracelets in there too. Shout out to my daughter who cleaned up my little jewelry studio, because y'all, it was crazy up in here. So she did get it organized. So my job right now is to make sure that I don't mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. I think she had my table cleaned off real good. I already got that a mess. So I'm going to make sure that I actually don't mess hers up. So I got Nicole's order done, Alicia's order done. My daughter packed Andy's order. Let me put this up. I'm like, why I can't? Let me put this back. My daughter packed Andy's order right here. Andy is another regular customer, and she lives in Maryland, and so I love her. She shops all the time. But what I didn't. She probably didn't know. I always tell me she can seal the package, but I didn't put her thank you note in here. I always like to write like a personal thank you note, handwritten. So I'm gonna have to like open it back up and put one in there for her. Then I have another order for one of my subscribers, but she's not, she's on vacation, so I'm going to ship that once she gets back. She got this, the Root Chakra Jingle Bell waist bead. Not Jingle Bell. I got to remember not to say Jingle Bell once I figured out where Jingle Bell came from. I don't want nothing to do with that. All right, so here we go. It's the Root Chakra with bells. This one right here.